Good morning everyone. This is near to perfect conditions. Near perfect conditions don't always work. We're fishing our annual final BBS competition today here in Southport. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen today. Nothing now. We're an hour and 15 minutes into it. Started at 6 o'clock, it was still dark. It's now 7:15. I'm not sure if anyone weighed any fish in that side yet, but we hope for the best, and yeah, let's see what we can do. Hopefully the magic is on our side today. Alright guys, welcome to another adventure of HuGo-Fishing. So stay tuned, see what happens. Yeah, it's on. So 7:15, first fish I see. There can be more, but yeah. Well, tight lines guys, tight lines, stay tuned. Michael just caught a beautiful fish here, right next to me. Next to my peg here, guys. I put up the photo here, very beautiful fish. I will not be surprised if that's the biggest fish for today. So I will call it. Right, and now just after 8, and I still have yet to get a bite. Still nothing. However, it happens. So I'll keep you posted on what's happening. As soon as I hear anything, I'll put it up. And yeah, alright guys, stay tuned. Tight lines, probably report back every hour or so, see what's the goings on. Alright, okay guys, now it's 9 o'clock and I still have to get a fish. Anyways, here we go. I'm here on the first corner. It's myself, Hugo, and then it's Michael. He's next to me is peg 3, and then we've got fawners. Peg 4, Cornell. Peg 5, Gary. Peg 6, Marina. Peg 7, I think she's the first lady that ever actually made the finals. And then peg 8 is Johnny. Peg 9 is Daniel. Peg 10 is Dean, and then peg 11 is Chris. So I think they're at peg 11, peg 11, 10, 11, they're far right, because the water is very shallow, a lot of shallow water there. So yeah, I still did not even have a bite as yet, and thereby peg 11, 10, 9, I think they're catching a couple of fish there. 2 kilos, 1.7, 2 kg, 2.5, around there. A couple of fish came out there. And then peg 2, nothing. Peg 3, 1 big fish. Peg 4, fauna, still nothing. Peg 5, Cornell, I saw him catch 1 fish, but looks like all the fish are coming out on the top side, where it's shallower, where it's a bit warmer and structure. Alright, so that's where we are, 9 o'clock, and we've got fish turning, and yeah, nothing to show. My policemen are still lying dead, still waiting for some action there. Alright guys, stick around, let's see what will happen. Hopefully you'll get a bite a bit later on. Alright, stick around. Okay guys, this is my first fish on today. Hopefully we'll land it. And hopefully it weighs more than 1 kg, because that's the minimum size for today. It's 1 kg. So let's see if we can land it. Our first bite, 5 to 10. So let's see. Nog iets vis land en roep ek julle al klaar. Ek is so positief daaroor. Nou of hy dit gemaak, weet ek nie. Ja, let's go. Fish for the day. Next one. Right, first fish. This is what happened to one of my fish today. I've got a bent hook, so this is a tip, guys. Replace it immediately. Don't mess around and trying to bend it back straight or whatever. I believe if it's really bent, then it's been weakened. So if you get a bent hook, it's already been weakened. So don't even try and bend it back. You know what? Take a little bit of time. Just replace it. That's easier, just replace it. It is now 20 past 10. Second fish for the day. Hopefully we land it. We'll try and land it. Alright, see if we can get it out. It's a competition, so I'm not going to stick around here. I'm going to move up. Bear with me. How's this, guys? Exactly the same weight, 2.39. Look at it. Ooh, before. Alright, let's put it back. Okay, guys, bit of an update. It's now 12:30. And fish is very quiet. I still only managed 2 fish. At least I did not blank. So I'm super chuffed about that. Okay, but we're trying our best. There's still a couple more hours left, not too much. I think we are fishing until about 5, so it's a very long session. So yeah, I cannot say what's happening up on top. That we can only distinguish. I will only be able to distinguish that at the end of the day. To see who tallied what, who caught the most heaviest bag, and yeah. Hopefully we can share some of those stuff with you. Okay, guys. So stick around. See what happens. Time is running out. It's now just after 2. I still got 2 fish. At least I did not blank. So yeah. So far I've got my fish on monster carp, monster floaty, monster carp floaties, monster carp. Horizon, that's an almond mix. So far I've used those. I caught fish on those 2. But I am trying. So yeah, nothing wrong in trying. 2 bites, 2 fish, and it's not even close. It's not even close. I need much more than that. Alright, so but anyway, it's now just after 2, and yeah, see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Everybody out there, they're trying, relaxing. It's a nice social competition, so it's great. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Well, that's it for today. The sun is setting. It's now 10 to 5. Looks like I've managed 2 fish for the day. Anyways, we'll tell you all. I'll put all the weights up here, and then we can have a look. Alright, thank you for watching, guys.